yeah, I haven't took a shower yet, guys. Guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today I have this coffee. Oh yeah, you can buy this anywhere. Just put some, maybe 2 tablespoons of this, and I'll pour some water. Stir it. Some milk. Just 2 tablespoons of the milk. Then I have this pumpkin pie, guys. So this is today we are going to my sister's house. I'm gonna bring some pumpkin cake rolls, and pumpkin square cake. So yeah, I haven't took a shower yet, guys, because I just woke up, and I will show you guys the one that I'm gonna bring to my sister. And right now I'm gonna have some pumpkin cake rolls. So yeah, look at that. But then I don't think I could eat all of these, right? So I'm just showing it to you guys. So yeah, that's gonna have for dessert. Like that. And also I have a pancake, which is I get from the Asian store. I always get it there, guys. This is good for breakfast, also dinner. So yeah, just put some avocado and butter. So yeah, I also have a coffee. Alright guys, thanks for watching.